In 2023, a 24-year-old boy from Pune read one book, quit his 35,000 rupees per month IT job, and built a 1.2 crore rupees business in 11 months. That book is on this list. The shocking truth? 90% of Indians have never heard of these 5 books, but every single billionaire on the Forbes list has read at least 3 of them. Let that sink in. Book number 1, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. Wait, don't skip. Elon Musk was 12 years old, depressed, and suicidal in South Africa when this book told him, the universe is too complex to have easy answers, so keep asking better questions. That single mindset? It's now worth 1 crore 42 lakhs crores rupees. SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink. All from one reframe. Book 2, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Published in 1997. Sold 4.5 crore copies worldwide. But here's what nobody tells you. In India, only 3% of people who buy this book actually implement it. The difference? Rich Dad teaches one formula. Assets minus liabilities equals freedom. Mukesh Ambani's father, Dhirubhai Ambani, operated on this exact principle before the book even existed. Book 3, A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. Don't think this is just science, this book has one brutal financial lesson hidden inside it. Hawking proved that time is not equal for everyone. A person investing 5,000 rupees per month at age 22 becomes a crorepati by 50. The same person starting at 35 never reaches it. Time in the universe is your only known renewable asset. Period. Book 4, The Singularity is Near by Ray Kurzweil. This 2005 book predicted AI, ChatGPT, and automation with 86% accuracy. Here's the scary number. By 2026, 85 million jobs in India will be disrupted by AI. But Kurzweil also says 97 million new jobs will emerge. The ones who read this book right now will be on the winning side. The ones who don't? They'll be replaced by someone who did. Book 5, Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This Nobel Prize-winning book reveals why Indian middle-class families keep making the same financial mistakes generation after generation. System 1 thinking, our fast, emotional brain, is why people buy gold at high prices, panic sell stocks in crashes, and spend 8 lakhs rupees on weddings instead of investing. This book is literally a 50 crore rupees cheat code. Now here's the twist that nobody talks about. Reading is not enough. Jeff Bezos doesn't just read, he takes one idea per book and executes within 72 hours. That's his actual rule. In India, we have 56 crore smartphone users, the highest reading potential on earth, but only 1 in 200 Indians reads one non-fiction book per year. That gap between readers and non-readers? That is the wealth gap. Here's your India action plan. Start with Rich Dad Poor Dad, available on Amazon India for 299 rupees or free on Telegram. Then move to Thinking, Fast and Slow. Apply one concept per week. Indians who followed this exact path, Nikhil Kamath, Zerodha co-founder, built a 70,000 crore rupees empire. He credits books, not college. Your degree costs 10 lakhs rupees. These 5 books cost 1,500 rupees. The ROI is not even comparable. The universe doesn't care about your background, your caste, your city, or your bank balance today. It only responds to information and action. One book changed Elon Musk at age 12. One book could change you right now. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 books have you read? Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week. and your future self will thank you.